Scapes is one of our most popular and effective programs featuring proven winners perennials. We're excited your garden center may already be using this program. Created to simplify landscape design for DIY gardeners, Scapes offers curated plant recipes that pair 3 to 5 varieties suited to similar growing conditions. These combinations provide continuous bloom, complementary foliage, and themed benefits like deer resistance, shade tolerance, or pollinator support. The Scapes program is getting a big change for 2026. Previously focused on perennials for front and mid-border planting, the program will now include proven winners color choice flowering shrubs. Recipes will feature perennials, shrubs, or a mix of both, giving gardeners a more complete solution for their landscape projects. A renovated EasyScapes.com website has also launched with a new, cleaner feel and nearly 100 recipes for inspiration. The addition of a more advanced filtering tool will make it easier to find the perfect combination for your customer's garden.